We're Steven and Andie, and we started a travel vlog back home in California at a time when we couldn't really travel.
Now we're making our way around the US, discovering amazing places that somehow escaped our radar until only recently. Hasn't been driven in a few years.
Good afternoon from not Georgia. We were supposed to be in Athens, Georgia this week, but some jerkface decided to hack the oil pipeline, and the entire southeast is now scrambling for gas. It's actually getting better. They got it under control really quickly, but still close to about half the pumps near us are empty. And we didn't want to risk driving out of state and possibly getting stranded somewhere.
Oh, man.
So we're gonna vlog from home today and show you a not so typical day here because we got a new piece of gear that we are super excited to try out.
But first we need to walk the dogs. So let's get them some exercise.
Alright, if you guys have been watching us for a little while, you'll recognize these two. Our little boy over here, Ludwig, and our girl over here, Ouija. They went with us on our cross-country trip. They've been on hikes with us in California and also on our North Carolina waterfall hike. So I don't know if you can see from there, but Ouija's got a little bit of a lopsided haircut. I tried grooming her the other night, and she insisted on laying on this side, so I could only trim down this one. And then when I tried to go for this side to get her to flip over, she ran away from me. So she's a little bit half and half right now.
All right, it's time to unbox this drone, see if we can get it off the ground. Unfortunately, where we live, we're surrounded by trees.
Fortunate for us because we do love the trees, but just unfortunate for this whole flying situation.
So we're gonna try to find a nice open space to fly in.
All right, we found ourselves a nice open baseball diamond. So I think this should be a good spot to give things a try. We'll see how crazy this gets. We brought my dad with us. Where did he go? Oh, he's back there. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
He's got the dad jokes. He's the one who got me into photography. My parents bought me my first camera when we first went to Europe when I was a kid. It started the whole thing, so I thought he might enjoy coming out and trying this out with us today. Okay, I hope you can see what we're doing from here, but we're about to take it out of the bag, set it up with the app on the controller, and I don't know. See if this thing works for us. All right, quick update. We've got it all connected. I think we connected it to the app, and now it just says go fly. Kind of sounds like it's telling us off. We don't know what to do next. Let's see if we can figure this out.
Yeah. Thumbs up your nose.
We got a tutorial, and one of the first things it says is to have the rear side facing you, which of course I did not have, so that would have been fun if it flew in our faces. First technical difficulty here. My phone, which we're using for the recorder, is overheated because we're in direct sunlight, because we're in the wide open space, and it's quite hot out. And so now my screen is like really, really dim, and my phone is getting really freaking hot. So it's making it next to impossible to see what we're supposed to do next.
All right, quick update. I just cooled down the phone in the car, so we're ready to start again. Got the drone back on, but realized we didn't have an SD card in there. So we're putting one in now, and we're getting started again. We have flight.
Whoa! I don't know, am I recording video now? Okay, that's a photo. How do I switch to video? Okay, we're doing a beginner tutorial. It had me go through a bunch of movements, and now I'm on Smart Return Home, which apparently is only for smart people and not me, because it tells me what's gonna happen, but it doesn't tell me what to push to make it do it. So that thing might be up in the air for a while. Okay, we're having a few technical difficulties due to the heat. It's quite warm today. Obviously, we are in open sunlight. We're all working up a bit of a sweat, but it turns out so is our technology. So we're gonna wrap it up for this afternoon. We didn't really get much done, but we went through the pre-flight tutorial and check and how to do all the basic beginner stuff. We're gonna get up early tomorrow morning and come out again, and that way it'll be cooler and hopefully we can get some cool shots.
Well, that was anticlimactic. But however you look at it, it was our first drone flight and we got it off the ground, so that calls for celebration. Ice cream.
Okay, we went with chocolate peanut butter and chocolate salted caramel, and of course we got a celebratory waffle cone, and of course we got a celebratory waffle cone bowl. I can't even say that. Waffle cone bowl. Waffle cone bowl. I don't know why that's so hard. So as we mentioned, we're gonna take it back out tomorrow. We're gonna try again. That will still be part of this vlog, so stay tuned. And we should also mention that we're really excited about getting our pilot's license. We have signed up for the classes already. We signed up for them before we even unboxed the thing. We were so excited. So we're gonna be cramming over the next couple weeks while we learn to operate this machine. We're also going to be learning all of the rules and regulations that pilots need to know so we can go and get our licenses. We just wanna make sure we're doing this right from the get-go. We are especially excited to get way better at this than we already are, which is not at all, and see what kind of awesome footage we can get to start adding to our vlogs. You know how towns have their things that are like painted all over the town. In Tupelo, we saw the acoustic guitars. In Greensboro, we saw the jeans. We have electric guitars on the Sunset Strip back in LA. Here in Hendersonville, they do bears. And they just released their new bears within the last couple weeks. So check these out, they're so cute.
So cute how it's like a mama or papa bear with its cub.
Day 2.
Same crew.
So yesterday, one of the problems we were having was, I think, with the heat and my phone overheating, and I don't know if that also caused the drone to overheat. But when we were going through all of the beginner tutorial, we got to the last step, which was land the drone. And I kept pushing the button and watching that little green circle fill up, and nothing would happen. The drone just kept hovering right where it was. We did this a couple times. We tried the return to home button. The drone just sat there in the air. After we sat and looked at it for several minutes, it finally just kind of beeped and gently let itself down. So we need to learn how to land this thing. I don't know what we were doing wrong. We're gonna try again. Hopefully we can figure it out. If you have any ideas, leave them in the comments below. Please let us know, because we need help. To help avoid the overheating problem today, we're getting an earlier start. And you know us, we're not exactly morning people. We had to get ourselves pumped up with the Top Gun soundtrack today. I don't think I'm gonna be able to find that on Epidemic Sound though. we managed to get through all of the basic maneuvers and land her. I am so psyched. And yes, by the way, it's a girl. We don't have a name for her yet, so if you got any suggestions for us, put them in the comments below. We especially like music references and, of course, travel.
This is gonna get fun.
Oh my God, we have so much to learn. Thank you guys for staying home with us this week. Next week, we're on the road again.
Yeah, and if you have any suggestions for the heat issues we think we're having with the gear, how to keep everything from overheating, please let us know in the comments because we have no idea what we're doing yet. So.
Really, we got to figure that one out. And also just any other tips you have. Keep them beginner level. We're just getting started, so let's not get too crazy. But we need all the help we can get. So leave your comments, your tips, everything else below. And as always, you guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Dun, 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 dun. These two, they were with us on our cross country. They were with us on our. They won't. Okay. Quick update. We've got it all connected. I'm not in the shot, am I? Here we go. Highway to the danger zone.